Our journey of El Camino del Diablo started in Ajo, Arizona, where there's plenty of wall art to look at. It's very beautiful out there. So we got out on the official trail. My countershaft bolt was missing and I lost my sprocket. We found the sprocket, had to turn back to Ajo and got a bolt from Napa. That was pretty nice. Anyway, we got back on the trail and started having some fun out there on the sand. It was kind of dark and cloudy, but we still had a great time on El Camino del Diablo. Randy had a 650 behind me, and Bart was in his four-wheel drive. His bike wasn't ready for this ride, so he decided to support us with his nice four-wheel drive. I thought that was pretty nice of him. It was pretty fun though. The road was super sandy in places, some long stretches, and also there were some volcanic areas that was pretty rocky. You'll see that in a few minutes here. Randy had stock tires on his bike. I was really impressed. He started to get the hang of that riding in the sand. This area of the trail has volcanoes around, and there's a lot of volcanic material on the ground. The terrain keeps shifting from real sandy to real rocky, as you can see. It's pretty bumpy in some places. Then all of a sudden there's this sketchy downhill with just lava rocks. They were sharp, loose, and little tiny drops, but it felt really sketchy to me. But the motorcycle just did a great job. I think it was just me. I was a little nervous, and I made it through okay. And then here comes Randy. He just made it look so easy. He's like a pro on this little downhill section. He's like a champion. I didn't get to film anymore. It got dark, so we got to camp about 7 o'clock. It was really nice there. We had a little barbecue there and had a good time there at camp that night. It was perfect. Yeah, the next morning we woke up. It was pretty calm and really nice before the sun came up. And I was walking around there and cooking up some breakfast and kind of getting things ready to go. Bart pointed out that there was some belongings that someone left behind the picnic table, and looked like a camouflage jacket and a couple of water bottles, maybe some Mexican blankets, and an empty can of pozole there. We were thinking, well, it's probably left behind by some border crossers. Then we started hiking around and checked out that little casita there, and went and climbed us a little hill there. There was a monument at the top and an American flag there. It was pretty cool. Yeah, there was some dates on the stones there that had 1930 on there, and looks like the Boy Scouts have done something there. We weren't sure about what all happened there, but gee, it was so beautiful. The next day it was not a cloud in the sky, and you could really get how beautiful it was there. The mountains were so nice. Just a pristine desert out there. And then we came across the grave of 8. And then finally we get to the border of the Cabeza Prieta and the Barry Goldwater Range. You could really get a sense of how vast and how remote the desert is out here. It's wide open. I zoomed in on the Road of the Devil in the distance there. It goes out towards the high tanks. As we were near the end of the Road of the Devil, there was a sign there with history. It was very interesting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.